everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how I wash and care for my eyelash extensions, so keep watching. I'll be using these items in the process and I'll talk about them as we go on in the video. I'll also have them listed in the description box so that you can check them out later. So first, I'll use a cotton ball soaked with micellar water to clean the lashes. I'll be focusing more on the lash line, that is the line where I apply glue on the lashes. I'm doing this so as to soften the glue and dirt on the lashes, making it easier to be cleaned. I'm using micellar water because it works very well for makeup removal, especially waterproof makeup, and it can also be used to remove eye makeup, so it's totally safe when used on the lashes. Now I'm going ahead to use my tweezer to remove the already softened glue and dirt adhering to the lash line. I'm doing this carefully so that I don't destroy the lashes. Again with the micellar water, this time to totally clean up the residual glues and dirt on the lashes. One of the disposable mascara brushes to take a little quantity of the baby shampoo. Then using the brush, I'll comb through the lashes gently. I'm doing this to make sure that the lashes are well cleaned. And I'm using a baby shampoo because baby shampoos are meant for delicate, sensitive skin and eyes, so it is very suitable for use on the lashes. In saline water. I'm doing this to rinse and at the same time disinfect the lashes. And I made the saline water using a glass of water and half tablespoon of salt. Patting dry using a clean towel. I'm going ahead to clean with Methylated spirit. I'm doing this to further disinfect the lashes. I'm using Methylated spirit because it contains 70% of alcohol. That way, I'm sure that the lashes are properly disinfected. Mascara wand, I'll comb through the lashes. I'm doing this while the lashes are still wet. This step is necessary so that the lashes will be well moisturized. At this point, I'll allow the lashes to air dry completely. Wow, this is it. You guys can see my lashes are all looking brand new, ready for me to use them. You can try this out on your old lashes and let me know in the comment section if this method worked out for you. That's it for this video. If this video was informative and helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and click the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and turn on the notification bell so that you can stay updated on this channel. Thank you all and see you in my next video.